Unlock Your Future, step-by-step guide for how to apply for a work permit in Slovenia. Applying for a work permit in Slovenia involves several steps. Here's a detailed guide to help you through the process. 1. Determine the type of work permit needed. Short-term work permit for employment up to 90 days within a 100-day period. Long-term work permit for employment exceeding 90 days. The type of permit you need depends on the duration of your employment and your specific situation. 2. Check eligibility. Ensure you meet the following criteria. Nationality. Citizens of EU or EEA countries have fewer restrictions compared to non-EU or EEA nationals. Employment. You need a confirmed job offer from a Slovenian employer. Qualifications. Ensure your qualifications match the job requirements. 3. Gather required documents. Prepare the following documents. Valid passport. Must be valid for the entire duration of your stay. Visa application form. Complete the form which can be obtained from the Slovenian embassy or consulate. Employment contract. A signed job offer or contract from a Slovenian employer. Proof of qualifications. Copies of your diplomas, certificates or other qualifications. Proof of financial means. Evidence that you can support yourself financially. Health insurance. Proof of health insurance coverage. Criminal record check. May be required depending on your country of origin. Or submit a work permit application in Slovenia. If you are already in Slovenia, submit your application to the Slovenian Employment Service or ZRSZ. From abroad, if applying from abroad, submit your application to the Slovenian embassy or consulate in your home country. And before we proceed, please do share, like and subscribe to our channel. 5. Await processing. Processing time. The processing time can vary but generally takes several weeks to a few months. Additional information. Be prepared to provide additional information or documents if requested. 6. Receive your work permit. Once your application is approved, permit issuance. You'll receive a work permit or a residence permit with work authorization. Permit conditions. Make sure you understand any conditions attached to your permit, such as specific employment terms or validity periods. 7. Register with local authorities. After arriving in Slovenia, residence registration. Register your residence at the local administrative unit within 8 days of arrival. Obtain a residence card. If applicable, you may need to obtain a residence card as proof of your legal stay. 8. Start working. Compliance. Ensure you comply with all local laws and regulations related to your employment. Report changes. Inform relevant authorities if there are any changes to your employment or personal circumstances. 9. Renewal and extension. Before expiry, if you wish to continue working after your permit expires, apply for a renewal or extension before the current permit expires. Submit renewal application. Provide updated documents and comply with any additional requirements. By following these steps and ensuring all your documents are in order, you can navigate the work permit application process in Slovenia more smoothly. If you have any specific questions or need further assistance, contacting the Slovenian embassy or consulate can provide additional support tailored to your situation. Your journey is a magical adventure and every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Remember, the path to your future is paved with possibility and wonder. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey through the process of applying for a work permit in Slovenia. We hope this guide has illuminated your path and filled you with the confidence to embark on this new chapter of your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more magical tips and uplifting content. Share your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments below. Our community is here to support and inspire each other. May your dreams take flight and your adventures be filled with endless opportunities. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth, and with a sparkle of magic and a dash of positivity, there is nothing you can't achieve. Until next time, keep shining brightly and stay magical.